A very shocking and a very sad news, guys, for our Pacey Modric. Modric will face 4-year ban for anti-doping or violation of anti-doping rule. And this is it. Let's read it, guys. From Fabrizio, official, Mikhailo Modric charged by the FA for anti-doping violation and could face up to a 4-year ban. We can confirm that Mikhailo Modric has been charged with anti-doping rule violation, alleging the presence and or use of prohibited substance in terms of Regulation 3 and 4 of the FA anti-doping regulations. As this is an ongoing case, we are not in a position to comment further at this time. So Fabrizio also quoted from FA, yes, Football Association. Yes. So guys, that is the shocking, sad news for Mikhailo Modric. Modric will face 4-year ban for the violation of anti-doping rule. 4-year ban, that is sad. And how old is Modric? He is 24 years of age. So if that 4 years ban is going to stand, that means until his 28th year, he will return to professional football. That is bad. And now, guys, what are the conditions for this Modric doping issue? First, Modric can appeal. That is why the statement said he could face 4-year ban. He could face. That means anything can change or things can still change. So first of all, Modric can appeal for the ban. And the appealing will be in 2 ways. If he appeal and succeed that he didn't take anything, but the sample A came, it was positive. Yes, so now we can say Modric, they didn't see it, the meldonium in his blood, we can't see that. But if the appealing work or he succeed in appealing, first, they can just eliminate all the 4-year ban. Or they can reduce the ban. If he succeed in appealing, the 4-year ban can eliminate or they can reduce the 4-year ban. So things are not over yet. And even information said that Modric already hired the same lawyer Pogba used for his doping matters or issues. Pogba own, yes, that lawyer was able to work on that and they reduced Pogba own. I think it was 4 years or so and they reduced it to 2 years or 1.5 years like that. So information said that Modric hired that lawyer. So they will start the appealing. So soon the appealing will start. And as I said, if they succeed in appealing, they can eliminate the 4 years ban so that Modric will return to professional football, or they can reduce the ban to 3 years, to 2 years, to 1 year. And at the end, if Modric doesn't succeed for the appealing, the 4-year ban will stand. So guys, that is the first condition. And the second condition for Modric ban is, let's come to Modric and Chelsea. Now, does it mean that Chelsea will terminate Modric contract? Guys, well, it will come down to Modric and Chelsea. Yes. Or it will come down to how far the appealing will go. So there, Modric and Chelsea will now sit to see whether Chelsea will terminate his contract or not. Because as we are speaking, I think Chelsea is still paying Modric. Yes. And I don't think you will be paying without any work done. I don't think so. Or Chelsea will pay Modric without football 4 years. I don't think it can happen. So, we are waiting to see, yes, the contract between Chelsea and Modric. Whether Chelsea will decide to terminate the contract or Chelsea will keep on paying Modric without playing football for Chelsea Football Club. Guys, that is another condition. So, Modric contract can terminate in Chelsea or they can work it out. Yes, but I think at the end Chelsea will terminate it. I'm telling you, because it doesn't work that way. It doesn't. If you are not working, they can't pay you without any working. Yes, you have to work before they pay you. So we are waiting to see about that. And even as we are speaking now, Modric jersey number is changed. Now Cole Palmer is wearing it. Chelsea changed it this season. Cole Palmer will wear the number 10 shirt. Yes, so guys, if anything happen again between Modric and Chelsea about the contract termination, I will update you again. So this Modric doping issue, these are the conditions, guys. And let's come to Chelsea. That means that Chelsea must go into the market and find a replacement for Modric. Yes, it means that. Yes. And yes, Chelsea is talking to so many wingers, Mohamed Kudus, João Pedro, Rodriguez. In fact, a video is coming about that. Yes, Chelsea came out with more details about signing a winger, Jamie Gittins and co. So please, yes, watch out on this channel. After this video, that video is coming. Yes. And before I move on, just remind you, don't forget to hit the like button and hit the subscription button for this video to reach more Chelsea fans on the YouTube algorithm. Today, don't you see I'm slow? Yes, I'm not happy. I'm very sad because this kind of doping issue, we saw it. We see, sometimes it's not even about the ban. It's about the psychological aspect of the player. That is the issue. We saw with Pogba and so many players. I think Onana also, yes, they ever ban him. It's about the psychological aspect of the player. Pogba is no more the Pogba we used to know after that ban came. So that is our issue. It's not about the 4 years. Modric as a young player, I'm telling you, he'll be thinking a lot. Modric will confuse. He will confuse. Charlie, it's not easy. It's not easy. So we are wishing Modric all the best. I'm telling you, his family and friends, they must stand up on Modric. Yes, they should get good advices for the young guy. Yes, because Chelsea saw Modric as a talented player, pacey player. Yes, having that potential. So imagine a player like this, his career will just come to an end. That is sad and that will be bad. So guys, now Chelsea must go and find a replacement for Mykhailo Modric. That is the issue. Chelsea must go into the market and find a replacement. And as I said, Chelsea already started talk with so many wingers, João Pedro, yes, Brandon Rodriguez, and Mohamed Kudus. And what is next for Mykhailo Modric? Even if the 4-year ban stands, guys, what is next? As I said, he is 24 years of age. So even if the 4-year ban stands, that means Modric will return to professional football on his 28th. And normally that is the prime of every footballer. And it won't be easy. You be in the house, you are not playing professional football, not intensive training, and you stay in the home 4 years and you just return to play again. No. You can't play at your best anymore. Or you can't play that highest level football or elite football. It can't happen. So nothing is over. Modric's career hasn't ended. Even if the 4-year ban stands, Modric can still return at his 28th years of age and continue playing professional football. And if the 4-year ban stands, I don't think at that time Modric will return to Chelsea. Yes, he may go to lower division, yes, to bring that fitness back, to bring that, yes, highest level football back. So guys, that is the latest information for Mykhailo Modric. I'm telling you. Let me hear from you under the comment section. By the way, if anything happen again during the course of this doping issue, Modric doping issue, I will update you again about the appealing, about the contract termination, anything that will happen about Modric doping issue. I will update you again on this channel. So please don't forget to hit the like button, turn on the notification bell. If any new video comes, you will be the first person to see it on this channel. And as I said, another video is coming about Chelsea transfers, and even Premier League fixtures has been revealed. And Chelsea is going to play Crystal Palace at the opening day. But there is a certain man Chelsea will suffer. I'm telling you. A certain man in the fixtures, I'm telling you guys, is overloaded with so many big teams. So that video is coming. So please, as I said, turn on the notification bell, hit the like button, hit the subscription button. Take care. Peace.